hello everybody once again for another one of our daily activities with Casual Learning with Mr. Rodriguez. So for today's activity, we're going to be working on April 21st, 2020's Stargaze. Before we get started, as always, I hope this video is reaching you not only in good health and good spirits. I hope you're staying positive while we're practicing our safe social distancing and all of those other kind of wellness activities. All right, very straightforward activity for this evening. What I want you to do is look up the location of at least 2 planets and or constellations in the night sky. Now, I'm going to be providing you with a list of planets as well as constellations that you can look up. So it's really just kind of a matter of picking and choosing a couple of those and looking up a Google search. When you do search, what I want you to give me is the direction that you would need to look in the sky to find the constellation. And I'd also like you to provide me at least 2 examples of things that can affect our ability to see stars and planets in the sky. Now, these factors can be man-made, these factors can be environmental. So, just kind of think about that. Maybe do a little Google search of that information as well. So, all right, let's take a look here. Now, of the planets that we can see in the night sky, those will be Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Now, please, nobody tell me that, oh, you can see Earth in the night sky and try to provide me with one of those as your examples. I will not accept it. As far as constellations go, now we do have Orion. A lot of you might be more familiar with Orion's belt, which is a system with 3 stars. Orion is actually much larger. There's also Ursa Major, which commonly known as the Big Dipper. There's also Ursa Minor, which is the Little Dipper. And of course, Polaris, which we all know as the North Star. Now, those aren't the only ones. We have plenty more constellations to choose from. There is Draco the Dragon, Aries the Ram, Pegasus, Lyra, Cassiopeia, Crux, the various zodiac symbols, Perseus, Triangulum, Sirius, Hydrus, Vulpecula, and Andromeda. So again, right, any one of these 2 you can choose from it, or again, right, whenever you do your Google search, it's going to bring up a lot more options as far as various points of light in the night sky to identify. As always, if you have questions, if you are confused about anything, please reach out to me. And hopefully once we get into this second part of the video, we'll be able to identify some points in the night sky on my end. So, as always, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. Please reach out to me if need be. Have a good day. Let's see if we can find some stars out there.